everybody, it's Miss Cuellar, and this should be for my homeroom class because I'm going to go over your social studies instructions for this 4th week of online learning, which would be starting today, April 14th through April 17th. So let's get started. When you log into ClassLink and go to Canvas and you get to your dashboard, you're going to want to click on your social studies course. I will now go to student view because this is how you will see it. And I have, if you scroll down a little bit, here is the weekly plan for social studies for this week. So as you can see, yesterday was Monday, April 13th, and it was a no school day. It was a holiday, so you didn't have anything to do. So starting today, here's what you're going to do in social studies. It's a little bit different now, kind of like with science, because we are starting to learn new material. So because it's new material that we haven't covered yet, at the beginning of each week, there will be some type of video or mini lesson for you to watch. And then you will read and practice a little when you're reading, and then you will have some type of assignment or discussion question or something to answer that needs to be finished by the end of the week. So you can see here in our plan today for Tuesday, you just need to watch the video. Then Wednesday, you need to read the textbook pages, and I will show you where those are in just a minute. Thursday, same thing, reread the pages. Maybe you read half of these pages on Wednesday, and then you can finish reading the other half on Thursday. Or even if you read all the pages Wednesday and then just read them again, reread them on Thursday. And then by Friday, you just need to participate. Your grade for this week or your assignment for this week in social studies is to just reply to participate in the discussion question for this week for social studies, and that's also located in the modules section. Okay, so now that I've sort of explained the weekly plan for social studies, let's scroll back up and let's click on modules. So you will click on modules, and the module for this week should show up at the top. Online learning for week 4, which is April 13th through 17th. So just like we've been doing in math and science, we have everything ordered by day that you need to do it. So day 1, which would be Tuesday, you just click on this video and watch it. Day 2, if you click on this, it will open it up, and then you can hit where it says download right here and click it when it downloads it. And here, if you scroll down, here are the textbook pages for this lesson. So you would just scroll through and you would read it. You could zoom in if you need to make it bigger, zoom out to make it smaller, and here are the textbook pages for you to read for this lesson. Okay? So let me go back into modules. Same thing for the next day, day 3, would be to read over those textbook pages again to really familiarize yourself with the information because it is new. Then by day 4, you will need to participate in this discussion. There's an optional activity here. This is just an enrichment activity about steam engines. It's a little video. If you wanted to watch that, it's optional. You don't have to, but it is there if you would like to. Here is where your assignment or your grade for this week is coming from. It's this discussion. So you would click on this, and it gives you some information, again, because this is new learning stuff. So you read it all, it gives you some things to think about, and then it tells you down here, it says, think about how your life would change and talk about it in this discussion below. So you've got to keep in mind everything that you saw in the video at the beginning of the week, everything you read in the textbook pages, everything you read here in the instructions for this discussion board. Think about all of that, and if you were alive back during this time period, how would your life be different than it is now? And then it says, remember, you have to click on the word right here. It says reply. You got to click right here to type in and submit your answer. Once you submit your answer, then you can see the other responses from your classmates. And if you would like to leave a comment on any of their replies, you can do that. Okay, so you would just click right here where it says reply, and then this little text box opens up, and you can just type in your response, and then you hit post reply. Once you do that, then if anybody else in class has posted a reply, then you would be able to see what they typed in. Okay, so remember, be thoughtful, be thorough before you hit post reply. Try to type in complete sentences, all of that. If you need to refer back to the textbook, then go back into modules and click on the textbook pages and read it again or read this information, okay? And then you would hit reply, type your response, and hit post reply. All right, so that is social studies for this week on the Texas Railroad boom. So you just have to watch the video, read the textbook pages for a couple of days, and then participate in the discussion question. If you have any questions for me, please email or attend one of these Zoom meetings at these times. These are our regular days and times. If you have any questions, have a great week.